Hi everyone, it's Anne, CraftyKimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with the fourth and final installment of the Pastelloween Collab with Scrappassion01. Again, it is such a bittersweet video for me as it has been so fun watching and following along all of the talented ladies. I will leave links down below. They are hosting their own giveaways, and I'll leave a card up above with the playlist of all of the videos in our collaboration. I will be hosting my own giveaway, and you'll have to like and comment in all 4 videos. And unfortunately, I can only send this to someone in the US, so I will have another giveaway for a future giveaway, including international. But don't forget to be a subscriber. And I'm going to show you my project and all the goodies that I am giving away today. So in this week's video, I wanted to do a bucket list item, and I'm so ecstatic with how this came out. This is a loaded suitcase, and this is following Bambi's Dear tutorial. I will leave a link to her tutorial below. I've been seeing these all over Instagram, and I needed to create one for myself. Again, super excited. I did stitch all around, and I did use the Pinkaboo collection because it's the only collection I have in 12 by 12, but I'm so ecstatic with how this came out, and I'm going to show you the goodies that are inside. In here I have those Rosette Award embellies that I created in the second video. Here are some SVG bows, and then in here I included a little resin charm because you know I couldn't be CraftyKimchi without a little resin love. And let's see. In this one here, we have the Witch's Cauldron embellies and my little felty stitched witch's hat. So, super excited about this. I'm so ecstatic with how this came out. I used one of those little SVG bows. This is one of those embellishments that I included. This little silver broom and witch's brew sticker. Again, a lot of stitching, a lot of details. And I had a lot of fun making this, so I can't wait to make another, but I'm so glad I finally got to check off one item for my bucket list, so super ecstatic about that. And then I have this little coffin box that I got from my girlfriend Wandy Sweets. Thank you, Wanda. And in here I just did a little layer shaker and did a little floral cluster. I have some chipboard, the spooky tree, and this little Scully with, I just put some gemmy eyes in there. And inside, I have a whole bunch of resin goodness. I want the winner to get some of my yummies and this cute little shaker ghosty. So I'm so happy, and I hope whoever receives this is loving my project as well. And then let's see. So in my last video, I'd shown my little mask holder, and I've been really enjoying making these. So I had to make another one for the winner. So one lucky winner will receive this mask holder. Again, so handy, especially when you're driving and you just want to pull off the mask. You don't lose it. You don't have to put it on the floor. You're not searching for it. But you got this cute beaded mask holder to stay fly and, you know, hold your masks. So that's that. And do you remember my little popcorn cart? You will be winning this. And inside I have this huge container of this sequence mix, Pastelloween sequence mix. And I love this. There's spider webs in here, there's spiders, there's ghosties, and you name it, the works. And it's the fanciest little sequence holder ever. Let's see, what else do you win? You get to win my little shaker library pocket with charm. Super cute. Get these doodle pops, and you get little googly-eyed doodle pops. You get this mason jar embellishment kit from American Crafts. Here are some pumpkin wooden pieces. They're already done. They're stickers. I'm sharing some of these Target Target bucket stickers, and these are all chipboard. I don't even think they come out with these anymore, or I haven't seen them, but sharing is caring, so you get that. you get this bag of skeletons, and these are so cute. But I thought it'd be such a cute little piece to add into my giveaway. And you get this little ribbon here, is black and orange, super cute. I've got this bag, this sticker, Jolie stickers of potions. You get a little stamp set, Morgan Witches. I just needed to include this little donut ring from the Dollar Tree. Get a little keychain too. Just had all that Pastelloween vibe. Got the orange, you got the mint, you got the purple. The screen's Pastelloween, right? This is an embellishment that I had from my stash last year. These are some felty flowers, again with those little Michael stickers and little boo. Let's see what else. You get these little Scully stickers. Get an ephemera pack of Beautiful Nights. I love this collection. And let's see, you get these pack of shaker candy corn. Super cute. It's a set that you can create on your own. You get these pack of Halloween jemmies. Again, you got the cat, the bats, the tree, and the little Grim Reaper. You get these Pebbles stickers. Super cute. You get these spiderweb doilies. Again, super fun. Included a pack of jemmies. And then these are some cute foam pieces that I had purchased last year. And I actually have 2 sets, but they're so fun and you can just totally make a banner out of these. Super cute. I got some American Crafts stickers, Halloween stickers. I have the new Target wooden shapes that say Happy Halloween. I have this fun thickers pack here for Halloween. They come in gold and black. Super cute. I have these foam stickers, little pumpkins. Again, super cute. And then last but not least, I included a purple and gold coaster that I made. Again, you can put jewelry here or little bits and bobs, but I needed to share some of my resin pieces. And then last but not least, you get a bag of so many yummies. And you know I've been hauling these chunky berry beads, and I just included a whole bunch of fun stuff. I have some rhinestone bottle caps in here. I have some bows. I just got a whole bunch of Pastelloween yummies. Again, super fun. So don't forget, I will be checking and I will be putting a community post next Saturday for one lucky winner, and I'm excited. I can't wait for the winner and to follow along with the rest of the creators. And thank you for watching and following this Pastelloween collab with me and all of the ladies. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye everyone.